tuloy tayo dahil sino ba namang gusto magmintes ng MPBL?
Ano to? Jump ball violation? No, wala pa sa apex yung bola. No?
O nga, no, dapat nga pag nagpitagpiin ko lahat ng mga jump ball picture ko na ganun.
Rafgo drives, no good. Mescariola puts it in for the first basket of the ball game. And that tough fall. But nice to see him back in action. Pasaol, who had a lot of threes in their last game, continues to pick up from where he left off. Desmond Price, pull up, partially deflected. Galban na libre. And he puts it in from downtown. Sumubok si Mescariola sa tres, wala. Rafgo nakuha yung rebound. Monton. Na kay Price ang bola, fades away. Good looking stroke. That will bounce out. Reggie Boy Pasibas. Bounce pass to JR Alabanza in stride for 2.
To put that ball on the floor, tapos siya pa ang magbibigay dito kay JR Alabanza. The bigs are running it out for Marikina.
Former Marikina shoe master, Rafgo. Bago niyang nickname, the Human Blast. Interesting.
Basta si Richard Campos ang nandyan laging merong bago.
Pinaitaan tayo ng kanyang scoring prowess sa ilalim. Sheila Salaysay, Marikina. Para silang Jekyll and Hyde Sometimes they look like a contender, but other times gives them a 4-point cushion. Rafgo steps into that bank shot. And this is the biggest lead right now. But Cebu turning things around with that 26-10 quarter in the second. And just bowling away in the third.
But it's good to see him healthy. You know, it was here, it was in front of me that it happened na medyo masama talaga. Yes, tama.
Sino ba kalaban nila nun? Wow, Jeff Monton. Saka, I don't know if it's the hair. Parang nag-trim down din siya
Yes. He's moving a little bit better.
Something that they could build around. At lalo, pwede pa sila pumasok dun sa play-in dun sa very last slot.
What he was capable of. All of a sudden, para dito sa Bacolod, pinakita niya that he is one of the more elite scorers that we have in the league. As we say that, he makes a 3 on that left wing.
24-12. Approaching the 3-minute mark. Desmond Price hangs in the air.
Just a little out of control on the floater right there. Pero tuloy pa rin ang kanilang game plan, which is to speed things up. Talking about speed things up, ito naman sa kabila, si Escoto naman ang atake ng maaga.
Yung E-Boys din. Yan, sila Jason Strait, Jordan Santa Ana, naglaro din sa UE.
Gerard Wilson.
Alvin Pasaol. Naglalaro pa yung Guangming College doon. Kurt Tao was one of their main guys. While Rames Carriola was the main guy for PCU Dasmariñas. RV Berjay.
Lagi kong nakakalaban yan dati, si RV. From 5-on-5 to 3-on-3, but always a good guy and a very smart guy si RV Berjay.
Quarter. Escoto leaning in. Despite the defense draped all over him, able to score over Jeffrey Monton. Mamaya si Sheila naman Second quarter underway. Marikina trailing by 5. Gawin mo ng 2 puntos yan. Nahabol ng Cebu at the tail end of the first quarter. Tapos nagtuloy-tuloy ng second quarter. And if you're Bacolod, you don't want that to repeat. At ngayon, tabla na.
Right now for Bacolod. Kaya medyo mas magkakaroon ng center position itong si Rafgo.
Straight away free. Para sa Bacolod naman, si Teruel, Lim, Desmond Price, Eman Galman, and Rafgo. Wow! Jetro Escoto. I'm sure ikaw nakapunta ka na sa Cebu Coliseum.
Yes. My last one was just probably about 6-7 months ago.
So ano na, yung renovated Cebu Coliseum na.
Tsaka maganda kahit renovated na siya. Yung sa venue na yun, meron talaga siyang classic feel na alam mong competitive yung nature dun sa court na yun.
Jordan Santa Ana, dire-diretso. Siyam na ang lamang ng Marikina, 39-30. I'm sure he doesn't want to miss given how proud he is as a Cebuano. Medyo may Basibas, dumukot sa ilalim. Aarami na rin yan si Reggie Boy. Laktaw-taw. Will pull up over Basibas. That goes through.
Turnovers and his first stint in the first half. Ngayon sa pagbabalik niya, medyo mas klaro ang isip ni Kurt and able to provide right away.
Tama. Mismo sa University of Banggit. Oh, a block from GP Faundo. MVP nung season. KQ, tama. Harley Ching, straight away jumper from the corner.
I was expecting Alvin Pasaol to be more of a scorer, but he seems to be a little bit more comfortable as a shooter. Iba pa rin ang nagiging scorer para dito sa Marikina.
Dead last in terms of points scored itong Marikina this season. Jacob Ubaldo napulot yung bola.
The past few minutes have been slower. We started the ball game very quick. Both of the teams were running. But this is something that Bacolod has to consider. That running game gave them an advantage in the first quarter.
Off the mark. The rebound secured by Rafgo. Rafgo already with 10 rebounds, which leads to this basket. Pasaol and Jetro Ting.
This is gonna hurt Marikina though. Pasaol in the ball game. I wanna see the numbers by
Jeremy Mondon. 48 all.
I was just checking the numbers of Pasaol. He has 5 points, a rebound, and an assist. Itong mawawala para dito sa Marikina. Pero si Santa Ana,
Rafgo makes his move. Basket will not count.
I feel that should have counted.
Di may pagbago yung depensa ni Escoto na agaw ni Jetro. Casajeros. Ginamit pa yung kanyang kaliwa.
Could be a last shot time for Bacolod here.
Monton. Umikot. Rattles that one in. Plus the foul. Third quarter underway. Basket agad. Galing kay DP. Jetro Escoto. Tumalaksak si Jason Strait for 2 more points. Babasa.
So his name is playing more of the 5 in today's game, but seems to be comfortable.
Alabanza puts it back in. Marikina down by 1 again. Nakuha yung rebound. Pagkaataon na makalabang ulit para sa Marikina. Crossover dribble. Jason Strait. Hindi straight yung drive pero 2 points pa din.
He is able to provide a good attacking size for Marikina. That's right, for Marikina.
Esqueriola. Escoto.
Bacolod is forcing Marikina to shoot it from the outside. They're playing this 2-3 zone, but Jason Strait says with a lot of space.
Back the other way for Marikina. Pass stolen. Natapik. Jeremy Monton. To Rafgo. Free throw line jumper. It will roll in. Jason Strait. Pull off between the leg dribbles. Si Alabanza nahanap sa loob. Si Basibas who now has 13 points.
Old school type.
Jensan.
Quezon.
Binyan. I'm trying to run through all 27 teams. Landayan Mintes. Jason Strait. Will put it in.
Natural shooters, but they did not box out, giving that opportunity for Jason Strait.
Desmond Bryce sa ilalim. Nakapo. Yun yung coming out party niya eh. Jason Strait. The fake. Rising up. Game over during the window from Maykawayan Marilao. Desmond Bryce with a slick move, kissing it off the glass and in, plus the foul. Maraming salamat, Sheila. Desmond Bryce averaging over 23 points per ball game. Pero si Jason Strait, how about this performance from him?
It's a totally different Jason Strait that we are watching here in the third quarter.
Santa Ana, pasa kay Pasibas. Road Approaching the 2-minute mark of the third. Basiba, shot fake. Rafgo nag-tiptoe ba para makuha yung rebound. Pasa sa poste kay Rafgo. Naagaw ng Marikina. Tatakbo si Jordan Santa Ana. Dumps it off to Jacob Ubaldo. The catch by Rafgo. Lost his footing. Pasajeros. Bounce pass. Jacob Ubaldo.
Medyo may tama si Jacob Ubaldo. Baka perfect chance para ipasok si Mong Basco.
Mintis yung pangalawa ni Landayan.
Alas 9 pa lang, nakapag-pizza na tayo.
Ayo, pwede yan. Ano?
Hindi alas 11.
Over Bacolod.
Ooh, what a nice no-look pass. Just couldn't finish by RV Burgess.
Rice makes his move, sent back to the friend zone by JR Alabanza.
Lead by example as he pushes Marikina to get back in the winning column. Aminado si Jordan na nangangapa pa rin ang team habang binubuo ang kanilang chemistry.
Kay Alex Teruel.
Good move, just a little too strong on the finish.
Desmond Rice, libre sa tres. Yes!
He's not gonna miss 3 straight. Etong si Desmond.
Rivas, Taw-Taw, Harley Ching, and Alex Teruel. Naagaw ni Escoto, switching hands, lays it in with his right.
Well, malamig pa itong si Rivas. It's gonna be the first minutes of Rivas here in this ball game. And then 2 turnovers. Not a very good substitution right now for Bacolod as that is 4 easy points.
Marikina getting another stop.
Well, there's still a lot of time on the side of Bacolod to get back, but they need their main guns.
Bacolod still behind. 3-point shot off the glass and in from Lim.
4-point swing.
Sa collegiate.
Yun yung mga talagang true love for the game, you know? Coach Bam, I've been going up against him since I was in first year high school.
Galman. Intercepted Santa Ana. Coast to coast. No! Traveled. Could not atone for that miscue earlier. Desmond Rice tries again. Alabanza. Lim has had a couple of threes in the fourth. Desmond Rice will try to help him with that. Knocks down another trifecta.
Well, this is a 2-possession ball game. There's even a steal.
Lim. Swing pass. Rice turns around. Jumper. No. Rafgo kicks it out. Desmond will put it up and put it in. Rafgo will put it on the floor. One-hander. No good.
It's carrying this team to a comeback.
Nakaagaw pa ang Bacolod. Desmond Rice, coast to coast for the layup.
This is 11 points in just the past 2.5 minutes.
8 on their shot clock. Jordan makes his move. Slithers down the lane for 2. But they have to score here. Laban, pasa kay Dangiwan. Rice steps into a 3. Pasok yan. Desmond Rice keeping them in it. But they leave Alabanza open. Nobody checking on him.
No one recovered for the bigs.
Rice racing down the floor. Will put it up. And that's gonna do it. Marikina will survive. Nga lang. And a guy who was responsible for that big turnaround in the third quarter. He is our best player of the game. Brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sportsbook of the MPBN.
Well, Jason Straight in the third quarter did it from everywhere, from making the stops, making it on the inside, the offensive boards, the inside baskets, and the 2 triples were very huge for Marikina to be well in control in that quarter. They never looked back. Di na nakabalik itong Bacolod and able to get the victory is Marikina.
Final